he never collected offering, and the people judging him will collect offering and collect donation. So who is more righteous between you and TB Joshua? Hey, you say I am talking too much. I have to talk because this is my lineage. I am a prophet by calling. You touch me by mistake, you die by correction. You stand on my way, I crush you like bulldozer.
Guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you come across this video. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you dare here you don't subscribe before, may God bless you as you support me. So my beautiful people, me na KONGOSSA TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. The matter where it carry us come today now about this prophet inhaler where don't come out, can't talk about the wonderful things where late prophet TB Joshua take do for ram. My people, majority of this that the Jews who na they see, majority of these men of God who na they see now when they talk evil about prophet TB Joshua, they don't benefit from a benevolence, my people, but them no go come out can't tell us say now wait this way take happen. But this prophet inhaler so don't come out can't say no, him supposed to talk wait see the happen. He say he not they preach prophet TB Joshua, but now say God tell and say make it come out, can't suck who this kind man day, who really TB Joshua day, my people. Even carry itself, it tell us say this church where it take the insight like that. When he be one starts build the church, my people, he did not have enough money. He contacted people, say may they take help him. Now prophet TB Joshua call him, my people, can't give him 5 million naira, and he tell them say make him not talk to people like under low key, my people. And he still talk say when he won't bury his father, prophet TB Joshua can't give him 10 million naira. Even carry a lot of disciples and a lot of Christians still can't join. Tell him say making no worry, say he's there, like we are friends are there in times of need. Prophet inhaler self say himself, prophet TB Joshua say me I am blessed, you don't need to do this, my friend. But prophet TB Joshua still tell and say no, it needs to be recorded that I contributed in bringing down your enemies. My people, the matter get us there. I go leave another video for you now. Watch how it take talk. Yes, my people, how it take come out, come they talk, they blast all this that is GOs, because the matter get as it take do us like what is happening, my people. Make we first listen the video, then we go talk after.
Let me talk to you about prophet TB Joshua. I'm not preaching him, but God said to me, offload until you are content. When we are building this church, I call all the deacons. He called me friend. He donated 5 million to the building of this church. I told all the deacons that were around. I did not hide it. When I was doing my father burial, he carried councils of his disciples. They came, donated 10 million to me. I am talking about a man who said he amplify everything he does. He knows I am blessed. He knows I told him, I said, friend, I'm blessed. I don't need anything. He said, no, you cannot just be going through it and I don't contribute as a friend. He told me when he donated the 5 million for this building, I want it to be said in the history that I gave money to the contribution of your edifice. How many men of God will do that? You think I'm just talking? I'm talking about an experience with a man. Then you see some hypocritical vampires talking rubbish from two sides of their mouth. In the name of man of God, sit down. Sit down. Some of them, when we are building, wish that the building fall. Some of them, when we are building, wish that the building was not completed. Some of them, when we are building, they imagine that where is he getting money. They reported me to authorities, pastors. I was investigated. Where are you getting money? I gave her 32 cars. They went and reported me. Where does he have money to give out 32 cars? Vampires! You see them doing hypocritical giving chin chin, yam, and beans and rice. Can I talk here? My name is Joshua Iginla. People call me Ororo Master. I am a lion by birth. We know they fear anything. If you don't talk, you go die. If you talk, you go still die. Either by rapture or by ascension, we will talk the talk and fight the fight and love the love. Somebody lift up your leg and shout fire.
So my people, una don hear by una self how prophet Ingela don talk by himself. He talk say that this some hypocritical men of God, my people, they call EFCC for him back. Can't say him they do some kind krukeke waka. Say make him give statement for how it take get money for take the buy wetin it they buy and for take the bill in church. My people, I can see the thing. I say, people are mean. Yeah, some of these men of God, him don't find talking before, my people. He don't say some of these men of God now them no go make heaven. No, like on that judgment day, yeah, my people, we go take surprise. Say now people where they stand on top puppet, now people where they carry Jake skin on top puppet, my people. Now majority of them no go make heaven. This one now just for make we understand. Say we supposed face our front. Say my people, you supposed face your front. Make you see well, oh, make you not allow situation also kind matter. Make it come move you out of tracks, my people, because as soon as they hear it dey like that, in self-second talk say they don't fit they hate man wait when he dey alive. They still call hate am when he don't go RIP. Like make them leave this man life alone. Say nobody take get the right for judge a man of God. Say the only person where if it judge man of God, be it prophet or pastor, now God Almighty. Say me people leave this matter for down. My people, I say no, me suppose carry and come because now better lesson this and it go teach people, because prophet TB Joshua be being a person way it dey help people under low key stay quiet. Majority of these daddy GOs them way when they see them they mark this krukeke waka way today. They talk evil about prophet TB Joshua, my people. They don't benefit from benevolence, but they no go come out, can't talk, my people. I don't know what to think about this video. We go leave this video for here, but before I go, if you dey here, you never still subscribe to this channel, please subscribe and support your girl. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever me upload video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I go stop this video for here. I thank you for all the support and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to write comment for comment section what you think about them. One love, truth.